Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 36,916 miles on the odometer. This is a non-smoker, extremely clean inside and out. Beautiful interior color, really looks good with this outside paint. If you see any flickering here on the screens or buttons or anything like that, that's just in camera, that's not in person. Good day to test out the wiper blades. Brakes feel good. The steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy when you apply the brakes. Shifting nice and smooth. Actually has some good get up and go. Alignment feels solid, steering wheel's nice and straight, really no complaints of drivability whatsoever. Very clean interior. Like I said, you got the heated seats, dual zone climate, automatic. You have your auto start stop button right here, so if you want to turn that off. Of course, the car is push button start. Really clean in here. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right tire, date code 2024. Those are Bridgestone Dweller all-terrains. The tire size is 255/70 18s. Here on the wheel, looking around it, overall in great condition. Now we do have a little bit of rash right there though. That's the only spoke that has rash. Everything else looks nice. Looking at that fender. Got one rock chip right there. Those are little water spots. But one chip here. The rest of that looks good. Side mirror looks amazing. Overall, the pillars there are nice and clean. Plastics look good. Got Ford original front windshield glass. That door looks good. Got the integrated step. You do have a larger chip right here. Couple rock impacts, all very subtle. Quarter panel looks good. That looks nice. Date code 2024 here on the wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the tread, it is on the low side. Looking at that front end, got the gloss black surround, looks awesome. White lettering. Here on the edge, a couple rock chips. A few every once in a while. It's very subtle though. Got one right here. You can see these little guys. Upper side looks nice. Crystal clear headlights. Typical little impacts on the grille, being gloss black. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Looking at that front bumper. Overall looks really good. You do have a rock chip there. You have a larger one right here. And one there. The rest of that fender looks good. Here on the tire, date code 2024. I don't see any rash on the wheel, but I do see a couple rock chips right there. Looks good. A couple rock chips here. A-pillar looks nice. Got a chip there. That door looks good. Couple little rock chips here, very subtle. All minor stuff. That wheel looks good. Date code 2024 once again. Taillight looks perfect. All of that looks good. That back bumper looks nice. You're gonna have your typical swirls on this. Little soft top. That tire is new, it has not been used. Date code 2024. That wheel looks good. All right, checking out this interior. That interior color looks incredible with this paint. Got the brown with the little blue accent here. This thing looks really, really good. Smells incredible in here. Non-smoker, super, super clean. You can definitely tell they took care of this car just by how it smells and looks just here on that driver's side alone. Looking at that door panel, looks amazing. All-weather mats, Bronco on there. Look at that bolster. Looks brand new. I don't see any wear. Same with this edge. Looks incredible. Here on the steering wheel. That looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. All of this is perfect. I don't see any gashes on the screen, just some very light markings just from everyday use. Heated seats, a little storage. I mean, really not much to pick apart in here. Here on this door panel, the net is ripped right there, or at least starting to rip. So you can see that flaw. The rest of that looks good. Here on the jamb, you got a chip there. Got some touch up here. Power seat, all-weather mat. Bolster looks incredible. Same here. Looking at that seat overall, looks brand new. I mean, very, very nice seat. Grab handle looks good. Dash looks nice. Upper side, very clean. Really not much to pick apart on this side. Here on the back right door panel, you do have some little dents in that material, if you can see that. That net looks good. You have some scuffs and scratches there. Got the all-weather mats. Once again, looking at the seats though, they look incredible. Really, really nice. Here on the back left door panel, some light scuffs here. You can see this net got stretched out right there. The rest of it looks good. All that's nice and clean. Once again, these seats, they look pretty much perfect. Brand new looking. Seat back looks good. All of that's nice and clean. Got the grab handles. Very nice. Here in the cargo area, I believe these are just bags to store the doors in if you take them off. It says rear door storage bag. You have that one there. And a storage bag there. I think that's all that is. It's just storage bags. Just kind of looking through that engine bay. Nice and clean.